Well, here we go. Okay, on number 1, we're checking the warm-up too. We knew it had to be negative because it's coming down. We went over -3, up 4. So that's our slope. It didn't ask us to do this, but we're putting it in linear equation form. That's what this form is, linear equation form. M is the slope, and B is the what? What's B?
Y-intercept.
Y-intercept, and the Y-intercept is 3. Easy. Number 2, I already know what is my slope. Positive. Positive. It's positive. So I'm going to go over, I'm going to pick this one. I'm going to go over 2, up 3. 3 over 2. If I'm going to go write it in linear equation form, it's going to be y equals, everybody together, 3 halves x
Plus 1.
We good? Okay. Put that up.
Are we going to get
Now we're going. Okay. Now, Tori and Emily, don't pass out. We're gonna correct our checkpoint with our blue pen. We're correcting our checkpoint 7 with a blue pen. If you do not have what I have, then I need you to fill in with your blue pen, please. Guys, Miss Kent had to grade these for me because I got sick and just did not feel like doing it. I'm not quite sure how hard she graded on these. On number 1, but please fill in with blue pen. It's just going to help you, okay? On number 1, you got the square root, and you got 14 point repeating 6, so that was C. That was the closest one on the number line. That's all you had to do. Okay, on number 2, they're asking for not. Do you know, guys, a student taught me this several years ago. Well, a good many now. And I thought, why didn't I ever think to tell the students to do this? It was such a good idea. On the ones where you're trying to find the true or not true statement, they put true and false by each answer. And then that helps you from picking the true when you're supposed to pick picking the false and vice versa. So we're going to read angle 1 and 4 are supplementary. True. The sum of the measures 4, 5, and 11 are 180. Well, 4, 5, and 10 are. Oh, 11 and 10 are vertical, so they're congruent. So angle 10 is congruent to angle 11, so that's true. Okay. Hey, what does supplementary mean? That equal 180, right? Okay. Letter H. Angles 10 and 1 are congruent. Oh, that's definitely not. That's acute, not obtuse. But they are alternate interior angles, but these are not what? No, these are not parallel. These aren't parallel, so no, that's not true. False. Angles 5 and 7 are congruent. Yes, why are they congruent? They're vertical angles, aren't they? So that's true. Guys, if you just went and circled an answer, what does that tell us? You don't care. Okay, number 3. Okay, you had to change these to decimals, and it was a pretty easy problem. 0.83, that's going to be 2, 2.9, and negative 2.45. Remember, when we're putting them in order, I like for y'all to round to the nearest hundred. Okay, so we know the negatives have to be first. Which negative is the smallest? Yeah, so square root of 6, then negative 0.95, and then 4/5, square root of 32 over 8, then 2.9, and then square root of 9. So that's going to be what? C? Okay. Number 4. Oh, I love this. Parallel lines. Do you know that somebody got up during the test and come back there and said, what's supplementary mean? What do you think I said? I said, go sit down. I said, go sit down. Hey, you nailed it. He knows me like a book, don't you? I said, go sit down, please. Listen. Hey. Supplementary. They add up to 180. 180 degrees. Okay? Now, if they add up to 180, same side interior angles 4 and 5. Do those add up to 180? Yes, always if these are parallel. Always. True. Corresponding angles. Oh, what do we know about corresponding angles? They're congruent. Hey, they're congruent. Vertical angles 6 and 8. What did we just say? Vertical angles are always congruent. Hey, aren't the people? Alternate interior angles 4 and 6. What are those? Congruent. So these are all false statements. I mean, they're not false statements. They're just not supplementary. Okay. Look at number 5. Okay. What did I tell you about showing the exact work on the Pythagorean theorem? Boy, this come to help you out. If you know all about that Pythagorean theorem, look, this is side C. So A, B. Here's what I did. I said 4 squared plus 4 squared. And they used x in the problem over here. So I changed my answer, my C to an x. So I wouldn't be confused. Now, they don't want the answer, do they? They want how to get the answer. So they need to know how to get x. So how are we going to get x from x squared? Square root it. Guys, I'm videoing. I need some participation. What's the square root of x squared? X. And then, look, they don't want the answer. They just want that. Okay? Number 6 should have been easy from what we did the very first day we started Pythagorean theorem. Right? What did we pass? What did we work with the first day? The squares, didn't we? And we made the right triangle in the middle. No, we worked with squares off each side, not rectangles. So, not F, rectangle, rectangle, not G. That's not what Mr. Pythagoras figured out. Off each side, you're going to make what? Squares. And look at J. Here's your right angle. What is C right there? 5. And A is 3 and B is 4. Thank you, people that did that. Number 7. Okay, here's your side C. A is 5. What's B? Good. Well, this was an easy one. Guys, and we still have people, look, I still have people getting to this point and saying the square root of 169 is C. No, it's not. It's 13. The square root of C squared is C. Hey. Who got that right? Woo, look at the hand. Whoop. Okay, look at 8. Scale drawing. Remember, on a scale drawing, the sides are going to be proportional. The actual bedroom width is 12, length is 15. On paper, on the scale drawing, the width is only 3 inches. What's the length on the scale drawing? Now, there's several ways to solve this. You could divide 12 by 4, so 15 by 4. That's one way to solve it. Or you're going to cross, you can reduce that. But let's say you didn't reduce it, and that's fine. When I do the crisscross, I'm going to get what? 12L. Chris, 12L equals good. And then I'm going to divide by 12. So 3.75. Okay, number 9. Look at 9. You had to find the distance, but they helped you out on here. They drew it for you, PQ, which is side C. Well, A is what? 5, and B is, we just did this problem on number 7. So if I got it right on 7, then I'm going to get it right here, aren't I? Number 10. Who got number 10 right? Oh, people. Look, you're going across the X. Then you're going to go across the Y. Here's what I find that y'all still are not wanting to do. Uh-oh. I put that in the wrong spot. Sorry about that. That's going to be negative 3, 4. You're still not wanting to put the coordinates on there. I don't get that. I just write them down. It's so easy. Blue pen, write them down if you didn't do it. And then what's your answer? F. Make sure your coordinates are face down, pass them in, face down, and then back to the girls. And Emily, take them up and go put them. You'll see a stack of them on my computer, right behind you on the bottom. Yeah. Okay. Okay. You're going to finish 255, and then you're going to start working on this 9.1. You're going to finish page 255 from yesterday, and then you're going to start working on 9.1. And then we're going to check 255 at the end of the period, and then 9.1 tomorrow.